Tired of guessing if your indoor plants are happy or just slowly dying? Meet the AI Smart Planter by AuraHome Vision. The pot with a real personality. It literally tells you how it feels. Thirsty? You'll get a cute pleading face. Just add a little water and watch it instantly smile back at you. It seamlessly connects to your smart home app, giving you real-time updates anywhere. Available in beautiful, soft pastel colors to perfectly match your minimalist aesthetic. It's not just a home for your plant, it's a living, breathing desk companion. Perfect for busy professionals, tech lovers, or anyone who just loves nature. Stop killing your plants. Start understanding them. Upgrade your living space today. Search AuraHome Vision to get yours, and subscribe to our channel for more.